Hey guys, today we're going to go over another example where we'll find the least common multiple for two numbers. And we will be utilizing one of the techniques to determine the least common multiple. I will introduce you to the remaining methods at a later time. Okay, I will take the numbers 12 and 18 that come after this, as you requested. So let's recall what this method is and how we can determine the least common multiple. We should enumerate all the multiples of 12 in a list. Let's get started and include every multiple of 12. These are the next numbers. Once again, guys, those numbers that are divisible by 12 without any remainder. First num is 12, next num 12 twelfths is 1, then comes 24, and so on. I'll list them. 36, then 48, then 60, then 72, and so on. Same for number 18. These are the next numbers. 18, don't forget please the actual number. You often forget the number itself and immediately write the next one. So always write just that number. So split 18, it's 11, next 36. The next number is 54. Next up we have the number 72. And so on, these multiples continue again. So if we can specify a finite number of divisors, that is, list all the divisors absolutely, then we cannot list multiples because we cannot write the largest number that is divisible by our number that we are analyzing. Subsequently, we move on to selecting the general. I will be tasked with determining the least common multiple for the given numbers, specifically 12, and ensuring accuracy in my calculations. This is an essential step in our process of finding the optimal solution. 18. You see this list here, so I picked the common ones from here. This is 36, this is the first number. Next up is the number 72. And so on, there are still numbers. Now I'm choosing the smallest one. Among these numbers, I choose the smallest one from the last row as my selection for further examination and analysis. Least common multiple, and the least common multiple will be the number 36. That's all you need to do. But let's verify with you if the number 36 is actually a multiple. To accomplish this, we must divide 36 by 12. That's how we obtain the result of 3 in the end. And I divide 36 by 18. As a result, you get 2. As you can see, we're getting a private without any leftovers. Here's how you'll find the least common multiple using this method. At the next class, we'll continue going over methods for finding the least common multiple. That's all for today. Goodbye until we meet again.